guys, welcome back to Tuesday Tip Video. Today you have the one and only Kaylee Ann and
Percy.
So we will be talking about all the different
Ta-da!
tools, and they were actually founded in 1924. A fun fact. So we're going to quickly get this video down. So we have 6 different impaction drills, and they all are pretty cool. And we have other things to go with them, but they are compact, brushless, and other little things too.
So we got different options. Yeah, they're all brushless. Some of them are hammer drills. Some of them are just regular drills. What's this?
A skill saw.
It is. It says Skil right on it.
So they have
It's a circular saw.
skill saw. Pretty cool, pretty sick. And you can actually buy blades here, right?
Yeah,
Blades?
we got blades.
You can buy blades for it to go with it. So sick.
We got the compact version
Oh yeah.
at Whittle. That's only got a Whittle blade, 4.5-inch blade.
Stuff is cheap.
It's a bargain. So here's the deal with this. So we carry Milwaukee still, but for a lot of our customers that are not contractors that do this stuff every day, I wanted to get a line of product in that's a little bit more in tune with homeowners. So you have your low tier products like Black & Decker would be a low tier one. Ryobi would be considered a low tier one as well. Or you have some mid-grade stuff like the Skil, and then you have some premium grade stuff like Milwaukee and DeWalt and products like that. So this is mid-grade, so this is good quality. This should last a long time for people that, you know, want to make the investment into buying these power tools. And the other really neat thing that I just discovered about this, they have built-in USB ports in their batteries, so you could charge your phone if you needed to. So if you keep these batteries charged and there's a power outage or something, you could charge your phone off it. So that's wicked handy.
And I know there's a lot of
It's got a tether.
And I know there's a lot of people that come into the store that do little home projects, little stuff like that, like refurbish furnitures. That's actually Membeam word, but they have little like sanders. Milwaukee also carries this, but like Skil is a good one too.
So Skil, you probably heard of like Ego, like outdoor power tools. The same parent company that makes those makes Skil. As a matter of fact, a little bit later on, I have a Skil multi-head system that actually has a power head and snow shovel that will probably stick outside real quick.
That's cool.
And we will show you how well that works. I'm charging the battery right now, so pretty excited about that. Oh, a little detail sander.
Yeah, they actually have multiple sanders that we carry, so literally it's like this.
So the cool thing is that little triangle, you can get into all the
My
little
fingers look good.
hard to reach places.
We also have little different things. This is a jigsaw. We have a jigsaw.
Not to be confused with a saber saw, which looks like a jigsaw, but it's a little bit bigger. Hence my little buddy named Saber. You guys have probably seen him before. Maybe we'll insert a picture in there.
But yeah, we have the jigsaw. And thanks to shout out to my father on why I know so many tools.
Right?
We have a skill saw. Nope, this is don't tell me.
It's a reciprocating saw.
Oh, that's
So a lot of people call them sawzalls,
sawzalls.
but it's a reciprocating saw because Sawzall is actually the brand that Milwaukee, it's the Milwaukee-owned Sawzall. So this is a reciprocating saw that Skil makes. We got a couple different ones. We got a little bit beefier version of the same thing. And then we have the little bit smaller version. We have a multi-tool.
Multi-tool.
And we sell all the blades for those as well. Those are so handy if you're doing trim work, you know, door casings, window casings, stuff like that. They're wicked handy.
I tried to use one of those and I did not like it. It was so weird on my hands. My dad had me cut something out and I'm like, I do not like this, dude.
Yeah.
This is a welder.
Nope, that is a grinder.
Oh, I meant a grinder, guys. I knew what I meant. And then they have actually
We got these handy dandy rechargeable screwdrivers.
yeah.
These are $31.99. I got these in for stocking stuffers, but they came in a little bit late, so, but it just recharges with a USB port, and you can change the direction of the angle of it, so you can get in some hard to reach places, and you can probably hear it. Yeah, this is handy, do it around the house type stuff.
So actually now we have a really good selection of different tools, not just Milwaukee and DeWalt. And isn't there one more that we have on down there?
Man, we got Skil now, so.
So now, yeah, so instead of just Milwaukee and DeWalt that we actually have Skil now. So we have another line that's been around for a while, obviously since 1924. And something we're gonna bring back a little bit, but we're running out of items, is the fun items. So one of my items is, we have carry multiple of these Stanley Cups, but this is
The new flavor.
like the new one. It's like a pink, like a light pink with a white cover. So we actually didn't have one of these like flipped over yet, but now we do. I totally suggest I have one of these, and they last forever. And I like these because they don't spill out, unlike the other ones. They do usually tend to spill out a little bit, but they last forever though.
I got this one. This is fun. This is a saucer.
That's what this is called.
Yeah, it's a flying saucer.
Yep.
Flexible flying saucer.
You sit in it.
Yeah, sit on it and go sledding.
We also have the Black Rifle Coffee Company coffee chainsaw. It's actually a new coffee that we just got in recently. It's a hard-working coffee, so revived up with flavor, cuts down your need to buy any other brand.
And then I have another type of sled. This one's got brakes. Sled with brakes.
They do? I need this so I don't die.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
You just pull up on the thingy, see it?
Oh.
See how it digs into the snow? It slows you down.
Totally invest.
So it's something you may not realize that we have, but we do keep these in stock. So yeah, that's exciting stuff. And expanding on the Skil line.
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah, so this is a power head
Wait, I want to do it.
that has, you can change the attachments. Currently I only have the snow shovel one, which I do need to reorder it. It's dripping water because I tried it, and we're gonna step outside and give it a go so you can see how it works. Right now we only have some light fluffy snow, but we do have some areas get packed down a little bit, so that might be a good indicator as to what your thoughts are when you see it in action.
Hey guys, thank you for coming by today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video.
Whether it was morning or nighttime or afternoon or evening, we appreciate you taking the time to come by and listen to me, or us, rattle on.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below.
We'd also love suggestions as to what you would like us to cover in the next video,
And make sure you share it to all your friends.
because sharing is caring. Don't forget that we're here 7 days a week and there are no self-checkouts. So, you know, you can get waited on here. Hopefully you got something good out of this. And if you didn't, at least you got a chuckle, we hope.
And we'll see you.
We will see you next Tuesday.
Thank you. Bye.